ever had. Make it all better when I'm feeling sad. Tell me that I'm special even when I know I'm not. Make me feel good when I hurt so bad. Barely getting mad, I'm so glad I found you. I love being around you. You make it easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One thing to do, 3 words for you. I love you. There's only one way to say those 3 words, and that's what I'll do. I love you. Give me more love from the very start. Piece me back together when I fall apart. Tell me things.
Dude, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and go for the boy.
Kami ang kabebe ni Mama Bilin. Happy birthday, Tito Baby. Happy birthday, Tito Baby.
Umpisa na yan.
Hi, happy birthday. Wish ko lang na sana iwanan mo yung paninigarilyo, maging mabuti kang tao at maging maayos sana yung pagsasama ninyong mag-asawa. Okay.
Ikaw na da.
Happy birthday, be. Sana lumaki kang maging maayos at nawa ay maging maligaya ka. Yun lang.
Happy birthday.
You already know what it is. Solid talk, solid talk, solid talk. Don't it do it for me? Now watch me whip, now watch me nay-nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, watch me nay-nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip, watch me nay-nay.
Hi, kami ang Pabati Boys. At hindi nyo kami mapipigilan na batiin ka sa iyong kaarawan. Tama. At walang makakapigil sa amin.
Pakain na yan!
At walang makakapigil sa amin.
Painom na yan!
Kung gusto nyo, bumati na rin kayo.
Tama yan!
Happy birthday, Kuya Be. Happy birthday, Kuya Be. Hi, Kuya Be. Happy 31 birthday. Sana mapasayaan namin kahit ganito lang sa birthday mo. And kahit ganito lang to, mapasayaan namin ni Okoy. Wish ko nga pala sa'yo, good health, ingat ka lagi sa pagdadrive sa trabaho. Sana magkaroon na ng baby pa.
3.
Hi Kuya Be, happy 31st birthday to you. My wish for you is to have a good health, strong full life, and to become a great COC player kahit na minsan wala lang. Kahit minsan lang tayo magkasama. Sana sa birthday mo makompleto tayong lahat.
Para sa ito, pre.